How to hard reset an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To hard reset an Android phone, there are basically two ways, that is using buttons or using settings. So if you want to use the buttons, first you have to turn off the device. Then press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Hold for about 10 to 20 seconds or until the screen turns off and the device restarts. Use the volume buttons to select recovery mode. Now press the power button. Use the volume down button to select wipe data or factory reset and press the power button to confirm. So this was the step to use the buttons and hard reset your Android. But if you want to use the settings menu, simply you have to launch Settings app, tap the search bar and type in Factory Reset or simply Reset and tap Erase All Data. Tap Erase All Data and then enter lock screen password. Now finally tap on Erase Data and this will perform a hard reset on your device. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.